Babe,
Yes, Daddy?
do you think I should make a diss track?
I think you should diss whoever you want, Daddy.
That's it! I'll make a diss track! I'm gonna go diss Eminem!
You go get him, Daddy.
Why does Marshall Brothers have to be so mean? And he put my face on his album cover!
Hush, little daddy, don't say a word. Megan's gonna make sure you don't get hurt.
You've been listening to Eminem, haven't you? Haven't you?
It's okay, you'll figure it out. You'll figure it out, you always do. You always figure it out, Daddy.
I know! I'll make a punk album! I'm gonna make the best punk album ever made, and everybody's gonna love it.
Go get him, Daddy. Change the world.
Why does Slipknot have to be so mean? I'm so ready to call their tour manager and cancel the whole damn show. And what the hell did I do to Conor McGregor?
It's okay, Daddy. They're just a bunch of 50-year-olds in masks. They don't know shit. And Conor McGregor, he's just an insecure little prick.
I know. I'll make a country album, and everybody in Nebraska will love it. I'm gonna make the best country album the world's ever heard.
Go get him, Daddy. Change the fucking world.
What is Garth